kids. Can you tell me what I draw today? Today I draw a house. First of all, draw the lines with scale. In this way, the lines draw this straight. Then draw the door with scale. Look so beautiful. Draw the roof of the house. Wow, it's amazing. Draw a circle to make a window. This is very beautiful. Draw the tree at surrounding. It looks so beautiful. Tree is important for healthy life. It's very easy to draw tree. Draw the tree at both sides of the house. It looks so beautiful and amazing. The scenery of the house is so beautiful. Draw the path in front of the door. Let's outline the house. Outline the house with black marker. Doing outline make the house beautiful. Let's coloring in the house. I like coloring. First of all, use the pink color in the wall. Pink is my favorite color. It looks so amazing. Use the pink color step by step. Then use the orange color in the roof. It looks so amazing. It looks so good and beautiful. I like this very much.